Okay guys, this is question number 3, looking at a typical exam style question involving circles. Question number 3, a circle C has the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y is equal to 10. Is equal to k, where k is a constant. Part A, find the coordinates of the center of C. So I'm going to complete the square here, so I'm going to rewrite it in the form x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 10y, and that's equal to k, the letter k. Okay, so k is just a number, so the constant. Now completing the square for each part separately. So x squared minus 4, so it's x minus half of the coefficient of x, which is 2, square it, and then subtract the square of the number, so minus 2 squared, which is going to go to minus 4, plus, and then again, I'm going to complete the square on y squared plus 10y, and have y plus half of the coefficient of y, so half of 10 is 5, square it, minus 25, so minus 5 squared is equal to k. Okay, just quickly rearrange this. I'm going to have x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 5 all squared. Now, if I bring the minus 4 and the minus 25 over to the right-hand side, I'm going to get k plus 4 plus 25. Okay. So the right-hand side just simplifies to k plus 29. Okay. So x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 5 all squared is equal to k plus 29. Okay. Remember, an equation of a circle is in the form x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. Okay, where the coordinates of the center are going to be 2 minus 5. So the coordinates of C will be 2 minus 5. Remember, there is always the opposite to the sign inside the bracket. Okay, so if it's a minus 2, then it's going to be a plus 2. If it's a plus 5, it goes to minus 5. Okay. For part B, state the range of possible values of k. Now, because k has to be positive, so i.e. it has to be explicitly bigger than or equal to 0, okay, if I solve this inequality, I'm going to subtract 29 on both sides of my inequality to balance it. I'm going to get k is strictly bigger than or equal to minus 29. Okay, for that question. Okay, now why have I said this actually? Because the radius has to be an integer. Okay, now technically I've actually made a mistake here actually, so it's not actually equal to that actually, it's going to be bigger than that, because if k equals minus 29, then that equals 0, okay, and I can take the square root of 0, but the radius has to have a distance. The radius of a circle can't be 0, okay, otherwise it's not actually travelled like any distance. So apologies actually, so k has to be explicitly greater than minus 29, okay, for the radius to have a positive real value. Remember that it's in the form x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay, the radius squared, okay, has to be greater than k plus 29. Okay, it has to be explicitly bigger than or equal to that. Okay, obviously, if it's equal to, then the radius obviously is going to be 0, but I obviously disregard the radius of 0 because you obviously can't have that, can you? Okay, because if the radius is 0, then yeah, it's not actually a circle because it doesn't have like a radius, okay, from the center. Okay, so hopefully it makes sense, guys. Right, guys, that's the end of today's short, sharp video looking at a typical exam-style question involving circles. Okay, please like, please comment, please share, and please subscribe, and I'll see you all inside the next video. Okay, bye for now.